Alright, this is hive forward, so you can get in there to get the lower sensor. We will keep this close though, because last time there's a fair amount of beetles out here. Check the front, make sure they're not. Come on. That thing just sticks together so much. Okay. That should be enough. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Probably gonna have to twist. So I can get that up a fair amount. I am pulling some frames up with it. That's probably good enough. Oh my. Up. And twist. Oh my gosh. Twist, twist, twist. It's breaking. Oh no, it's not breaking. Holy crap, I'm twisting the entire hive. Oh, no way. Now I need it to not. That's crazy. So I got it to twist, but then the whole hive started twisting. Oh my gosh. This is silly. Okay. Get it then. I'm just gonna keep going up. There we go. We got it. It's not going to be pretty. I can tell you that right now. There's a fair amount. I'm betting sensor's going to be on the bottom of this upper one. Nope. It's on that one. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. They've got a lot of honey in there. I twisted it and made a mess out of it. Stupid. Look at all of it in there. Crazy thing is, don't wait too long and it'll all be gone because they'll eat it. This is similar to the other one. Here's our new battery. Put this to the shade. Can push the tab in and back out and back through. There's our light. Oh man, mess up that. My gosh, you've got to get off of this. Wow. Got honey running down the side of this.